Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your router is powered and Wi-Fi broadcasting, and you know the SSID and password. On your device, enable the wireless adapter, and, if needed, update drivers so the radio supports modern bands. Move closer to the router, 1 to 2 rooms away is best, and temporarily disable heavy interference sources like microwaves. Once done, open your device's network settings so you can scan available networks and prepare to connect securely. You now select the correct SSID and choose a secure encryption mode, WPA2 or WPA3, then enter the password. If your network requires a static IP, input the address, gateway, and DNS. Otherwise, leave DHCP on for automatic settings. Decide between two. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Try both to see which performs better in your environment. Make sure your device obtains an IP and that the gateway is reachable. Then run a quick speed. Finish by confirming full internet access. Ping the router and a public DNS server. Open a web page to validate DNS resolution. Secure your setup. Change the router's default admin password, enable the firewall, and use a guest network for visitors. If something goes wrong, reboot the router and your device first. That solves most problems. If the issue persists, check channel congestion, switch channels, and update router firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: test with another device to isolate whether the router or the original device is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.